When you pull up to the next car meet, you want to be seen on something unique and stylish, but also affordable. Today, we're looking at 7 great sports cars that will make your friends jealous without breaking the bank. Jaguar XKR. The Jaguar XKR is a fantastic choice for those who want luxury and power on a budget. This early Grand Touring version of the current F-Type features a 5-liter supercharged V8 engine that delivers over 500 horsepower, giving you an exhilarating driving experience. It comes equipped with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission and a high-quality leather interior that includes a 7-inch touchscreen, providing both comfort and modern tech. What makes the XKR even more appealing is its affordability. Despite its impressive performance and upscale features, you can find low-mileage models for around $30,000. If you don't mind a higher mileage option, you can snag one for under $20,000. This combination of power, luxury, and affordability makes the Jaguar XKR a great choice for anyone looking to drive a stylish and powerful car without spending a fortune. Factory 5 Racing 818. The Factory 5 Racing 818 is a lightweight and sporty car that's perfect for those who love a fun driving experience on a budget. It's based on a Subaru WRX donor, featuring a 2.5-liter turbocharged Boxer 4 engine that delivers 230 horsepower. Weighing in at only 1,800 pounds, the 818 is designed for agility and speed. There are different variants available, including an open-top, coupe, and a race-spec version, catering to various preferences and driving styles. The kit for the Factory 5 Racing 818 starts at just over $10,000, making it an affordable project for car enthusiasts. If you want a finished model, you can expect to spend around $25,000. This makes the 818 an excellent choice for those looking to build or buy a unique and exhilarating sports car without breaking the bank. LBSTR. The LBSTR is a rally-inspired replica of the iconic 70s Lancia Stratos, perfect for car enthusiasts who admire classic rally legends. It features a torsionally rigid space frame chassis, ensuring a sturdy and responsive ride. The fiberglass body is crafted to closely resemble the original Stratos and can even accommodate genuine Lancia parts for an authentic look. The LBSTR offers several engine options, including a 2.5-liter Alfa Romeo V6, the affordable Toyota 2GR FE, or an authentic Ferrari V6, giving you flexibility based on your budget and performance desires. While this car offers a taste of rally history, it comes at a price ranging from $60,000 to $70,000. Despite being the most expensive option on the list, the LBSTR provides a unique blend of classic design and modern engineering, making it a worthwhile investment for those passionate about rally racing heritage. Maserati Gran Turismo. The Maserati Gran Turismo is an Italian luxury coupe that combines elegance and performance, featuring a Ferrari-derived V8 engine with over 400 horsepower. This powerful engine allows the Gran Turismo to go from 0 to 60 in less than 5 seconds, providing an exhilarating driving experience. Despite its high-end features and impressive performance, you can find used models for less than $30,000. This makes the Maserati Gran Turismo an affordable option for those looking to enjoy the prestige of an Italian sports car without the hefty price tag. Its sleek design, powerful engine, and luxurious interior make it a standout choice for anyone wanting to drive in style. Here's a quick trivia. Did you know that the Maserati Gran Turismo marked a significant return to the company's roots in Grand Touring cars? It was unveiled at the 2007 Geneva Motor Show as the successor to the Maserati Coupe, which had been out of production since 2005. The Gran Turismo was designed by Pininfarina, the renowned Italian design house, and it was praised for its elegant and timeless styling. Interestingly, The development of the Gran Turismo was part of Maserati's strategy to increase sales and brand visibility, helping the company regain its status as a leading manufacturer of luxury sports cars. With its combination of Italian craftsmanship, performance, and style, the Maserati Gran Turismo has become a modern classic in the automotive world. Toyota MR2 Turismo UK Avalanche GT Kit. The Toyota MR2 with the Turismo UK Avalanche GT Kit offers a unique twist on the classic Japanese sports car. This transformation turns the reliable MR2 into a stylish exotic car. The kit includes fiberglass body panels, giving the MR2 a sleek and eye-catching appearance. Additionally, there are optional upgrades like a roof scoop and interior enhancements to customize the car further. What's great is that the kit itself starts at just under £5,000, approximately $6,500, but you'll need to factor in the cost of the MR2 as well. This means you can create your own exotic sports car without breaking the bank. With its blend of reliability, style, and affordability, the Toyota MR2 with the Turismo UK Avalanche GT Kit offers a unique driving experience for enthusiasts looking for something different. Blackwell Widow SPR1. The Blackwell Widow SPR1 is a thrilling sports car inspired by the TVR Sagaris, but it's built on a Mazda Miata chassis. Its design is both unique and lightweight, making it a blast to drive on the road. Priced at just $4,300 for the kit, it offers incredible value for enthusiasts looking for an affordable yet exhilarating driving experience. With its sleek design and fun-to-drive nature, the Blackwell Widow SPR1 provides an opportunity for car enthusiasts to enjoy the thrill of a sports car without breaking the bank. Whether you're cruising on the open road or tackling tight corners, this car promises an exciting ride every time. Corvette C7. The Corvette C7 is an iconic American sports car known for its head-turning style and powerful performance. Equipped with a 6.2-liter V8 engine producing 460 horsepower, it delivers exhilarating acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. Despite its high performance capabilities, used models of the Corvette C7 can be found for just over $40,000, making it a relatively affordable option for those seeking the thrill of driving a legendary sports car. With its sleek design, impressive power, and accessible price point, the Corvette C7 offers enthusiasts the opportunity to own a piece of American automotive history without breaking the bank. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up the track, the Corvette C7 delivers an unforgettable driving experience that captures the essence of American muscle and performance. Did you know that Chevrolet Corvette, first introduced in 1953, was named after a small and fast naval escort ship called a corvette? This name reflected the car's intended purpose as a nimble and agile sports car. Interestingly, the Corvette was initially designed to be a show car for the 1953 New York Auto Show, but its overwhelming positive reception led to Chevrolet to put it into production. With its fiberglass body, sleek design, and powerful engine options, the Corvette quickly gained popularity as America's first true sports car. Over the years, the Corvette has evolved through multiple generations, each introducing new innovations and advancements in automotive technology while maintaining its reputation as an iconic symbol of American performance and style. Thank you for joining us on this journey through affordable sports car that pack a punch. Which of these budget-friendly rides caught your eye? Are you leaning towards the classic elegance of the Maserati Gran Turismo or the raw power of the Corvette C7? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to World of Luxury for more thrilling content on the world's most exciting cars. Until next time, keep chasing those dreams on wheels.